Here's how you can simply create a clipping mask in After Effects. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So first up, what you need to do now is that you want to create a shape of any kind you want. I'm simply going to use this one. And then once you've created your shape, what you need to do now is that you want to make sure that the layer the image that's going to be clipped should be on top of this shape. So I'm going to place it on top. Then once you do that, you want to now search for set matte. So simply search for set, and then this is the set matte preset we want. So just drag it, then drop it into the image that's going to be clipped. And then what you need to do now is that you want to under the take matte from layer, select this and then select the shape. And as you can see, that's how you can simply create a clipping mask. So that's how you can simply create a clipping mask in Adobe After Effects. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.